I'll take you to a place where no one ever goes. Just coaches, trucks and engines, and it takes away your woes. So we will go to Sodor and see what we will find. So many wondrous things that will occupy our mind, because it's Sodor Adventures. Who knows what we will see? It's Sodor Adventures, so come along with me. It's Sodor Adventures, a place just like no other. It's Sodor Adventures.